everyone. Today we are discussing about the experiment number 2, that is the determination of the concentration of sodium benzoate and caffeine in a given unknown injection by the absorption ratio method. Already we are discussing in the previous experiment, that is the determination of the concentration by the simultaneous equation method. In this experiment we are discussing with the determination of the concentration by the absorption ratio method. So first, preparation of the standard solution. As per the previous experiment, same procedure here. Given is the stock solution of the sodium benzoate, stock solution of the caffeine and the sample solution. So stock solution of sodium benzoate already given is 1 mg per ml. So pipette out 1 ml of the stock solution having the concentration 1000 mg per ml, dilute up to the 10 ml and make up the volume up to 10 ml with the distilled water. So concentration become 100 microgram per ml or 100 ppm. Pipette out 1 ml from the 100 micron per ml of the solution and dilute up to the 10 ml and with the distilled water having the concentration 10 micron per ml and measure the absorbance of this solution at lambda 1 and lambda 2. Here lambda 1 is a 244 nanometer and lambda 2 is a 273 nanometer. In this experiment, measure the absorbance at the two wavelength, where first wavelength is the your wavelength of the one drug and second wavelength is the shows the wavelength at the both the drug shows the equal absorbance. So that's why lambda 1 is the 244 nanometer and lambda 2 is the 273 nanometer. So that is your sodium benzoate. Again, next preparation of the stock solution from the caffeine. So already given stock solution is the 1 mg per ml having the concentration 1000 mg per ml. Pipette out 1 ml from this solution, dilute up to the 10 ml with the distilled water having the concentration 100 microgram per ml. Pipette out 1 ml from this 100 microgram per ml and dilute up to the 10 ml with the distilled water having the concentration 10 microgram. Again, measure the absorbance of this solution at 244 nanometer and is the lambda 1 and lambda 2 is the 273 nanometer. There is a preparation of the two solutions, that is a standard solution of the caffeine and standard solution of the sodium benzoate. Next, preparation of the sample solution. Already sample solution is given to you. You can dilute up to the 100 times of this sample solution. Pipette out 1 ml from this diluted solution, dilute up to the 10 ml with the distilled water. Again pipette out 1 ml from this solution, dilute up to the 10 ml with the distilled water and measure the absorbance at 244 nanometer and 273 nanometer. Of the dilutions, we have already set the wavelength, that is a 244 nanometer, that is lambda 1 and 273 nanometer is the lambda 2. First, clean the cuvette with the distilled water. Clean the cuvette with the distilled water. Then, fill the cuvette, both the cuvette with the distilled water for the auto zero. No any disturbance of the water in a final absorbance. So auto zero, first do the auto zero. Place the cuvette in a sample as well as reference cell with the filling with the distilled water for the auto zero. After placing the cuvette, both the cuvette filled with the distilled water, then auto zero to remove any unwanted absorbance error in your final absorbance of the sample and your stock solution. After auto zero, remove the sample cuvette, fill with the first sodium benzoate, already distilled water, so only wash and fill with the your distilled water, sodium benzoate. Measure the absorbance. After measuring the absorbance of sodium benzoate, remove the cuvette, wash with the distilled water, rinse with your second solution, that is the caffeine, and fill with the caffeine. only sample covered filled with your caffeine. Measure the absorbance of the caffeine at both wavelengths, that is a lambda 1 244 nanometer and lambda 2 is a 273 nanometer. Measure the absorbance. Then lastly, measure the absorbance of your sample solution. Measure the absorbance of your sample solution. Wash, rinse and fill with your sample solution. After complete measurement of the absorbance, note down the reading and go for the calculation. Okay. After taking the absorbance, first sodium benzoate consider as a X, caffeine consider as a Y, and your sample solution. So lambda 1 is a 244 nanometer, lambda 2 is a 273 nanometer. It is for the sodium benzoate. Caffeine lambda 1 is a 244, lambda 2 is a 273. Again for the sample lambda is a 244, lambda 2 is a 273. So write down the absorbance. So sodium benzoate at 244 nanometer shows the absorbance 0.145, at 273 0.053. So caffeine at 244 shows the absorbance 0.168, and at 273 is the 0.568. Again at the sample at 244 nanometer it shows the 0.297 nanometer, and at 273 0.614 nanometer. So these are the absorbance of the solutions. So as per the previous experiment, again calculate the value of absorptivity as per the Billet number for A is equal to ABC. So small a is equal to capital A upon B into C. So we are putting the value of AX1. So determination of the absorbance. Absorbance is capital A is a 0.145, B is the 1, and concentration of sodium benzoate is the 10. So 0.0145. So complete the table. 0.0145, again 0.0053, 0.0168 and 0.0568. So completion of these AX1, AX2, AY1, AY2 absorptivity value. So next for the calculation. So Cx is the determination of the concentration of sodium benzoate in your injection by the absorption ratio method, and Cy is the determination of the concentration of caffeine by the absorption ratio method. So formula for the determination of the concentration of the sodium benzoate. Therefore Cx is equal to Qm, capital Qm minus Qy upon Qx minus Qy into A1, this A1 upon AX1, this AX1. So that is your determination of the Cx. Again for the determination of Cy, formula is Qm minus Qx upon Qy minus Qx into A1 upon AY1. So how to calculate this Qm, Qy and Qx? The formula for that, because it is your ratio method, absorption ratio method. So M is your mixture. So that is the sodium benzoate and caffeine sample solution. So take the ratio of the absorbance. So A2 upon A1. Sorry. So A2 upon A1. So putting the value of A2 upon A1 to 0. Value of A2 is 0.614 upon A1. Value is 0.297. Same for the Qx. Value of AX2 0.0053 upon value of AX1 0.0145. Again value for Qy 0.0568 upon AY1 0.0168. So calculate this value. So you can easily find out the value of Qm, Qx and Qy. So these values are directly into your equation and calculate the concentration of the CX and CY.